Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the important short note questions to be studied under the subject goods and service tax, also known as indirect tax paper. Okay, for semester 6 for all the TYBMS students. Again, a very important topic for all the TYBMS M6 students who are going to appear for your GST paper or indirect paper. Okay, now in this video, we are going to talk about 19 important short notes which all need to cover up so that you all can attempt any kind of paper. Okay, all the types of short notes can be attempted in that. Okay, so let us see which are those 19 important short notes that you will need to learn. Okay, number one, explain the features of indirect tax. Second, explain the advantages and disadvantages of indirect tax. Third, define goods. Whenever we talk about defined goods, meaning defined goods and all the types which comes under goods. Okay, explain the reverse charge mechanism. Explain place of supply. Okay, so these are the first five important short notes that you'll need to cover up. Features of indirect tax, advantages and disadvantages of indirect tax, define goods. So when you're defining goods, what is goods? Okay, define it and also explain the various examples. Explain the reverse charge mechanism. Again, give a short detail about it, and you can give a small example also on that. Explain the place of supply. Give us short detail about what is place of supply and various rules for place of supply of goods and services. You all can explain those rules in that. Okay, so these are the first five. Next, explain the composite supply and mixed supply. Very important topic. What are the taxes that are levied on an intrastate supply? Explain the levy and collection of tax on import and export. Explain what is the aggregate turnover of GST of registered person, and explain and enumerate exempt of service provided to government. So these are the next five topics which are important from the exam point for short notes. Okay, explain the composite supply, mixed supply, very important. What are the taxes which are levied on intrastate supplies? Okay, explain what is levy, what is collection of tax on import and export. Explain what is aggregate turnover and give some examples of exempted services provided to the government. So these are the first 10 short notes which are important. Now let us take the next five. What determinants or what determines the time of supply? What are the various determinants of time of supply? Explain the provision for determining the taxable value of supply. Explain the provision avail, what are the, sorry, explain the person who can avail ITC. Explain the importance of registration and explain e-way of bill. Okay, so what determines time of supply? You can take different situation under time of supply and what are the rules, how the earlier of, so you can write all those rules in that. What are the provision of determining taxable value? So the format of taxable value with some rules you can note it down. ITC, when can you avail ITC? Again, the rules are there, you can mention those rules there. Importance of registration, if you register, what are the importance that you can get? Explain what is the e-way of bill. Okay, very important topic. So these are the first 15. Now last four types. Explain the person who are not eligible for composition scheme. Explain goods and service tax network. Explain intra-state supply. And lastly, explain electronic credit ledger in GST. Okay, so these are the last four topics which are very important. Okay, explain who are the person who are not eligible for composition scheme. What is goods and service tax network? Intrastate supply, and lastly electronic credit ledger in GST. Very important topic. So if I can guarantee, if I'll do these 19 topics, I guess it will be more than enough from the short notes point of view. Okay, chalo. So with that, I hope everyone have noted down these 19 questions. See that I'll prepare over it. Chalo. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.